This poem is by John Foster. It's called Mrs. Nugent's Budgie. Yesterday, our neighbour, Mrs. Nugent, accidentally sat on her budgie. How did it happen? I asked. Was it flattened? Said Sally. Like on Tom and Jerry? She'd let it out for a fly around, said Mum. And she sat down on the bed without noticing it was there. Poor thing, said Dad. It didn't stand much of a chance with her on top of it. It's not dead, said Mum. It lay there stunned for a while, then started to twitch. So she picked it up and popped it back in its cage. It looked fine when I saw it, except that its head is a bit on one side. Will it be all right? I asked. I expect so, said Dad. It sounds a tough old bird, like Mrs. Nugent.